Hey guys, it's Mike at Aphelia's Blue Vine Farm. Man, we're losing a lot of heat inside the greenhouse, but where is it going? Everything looks fine up there, but it's not. Find out what's really going down in the greenhouse coming up. Hey guys, it's Mike at Aphelia's Blue Vine Farm. Now, earlier in the season, we were able to cool our greenhouse by applying a liquid shade on the outside of the greenhouse roof. And it works really well in the summertime. It decreases the temperature by 20, sometimes even 30%. And as you can see on the top of it, it has a slightly white haze. And that's a problem because if we don't get that off of the greenhouse roof, it's gonna suck all of our heat right out. We're losing hundreds of dollars every night because we have that film still on the other side of this entire greenhouse. Cold weather's coming up. We need to get it off. Today's the only day. Can we do it? I don't know. Let's find out.
1 time, 2 times, 3 times. Get it, go.
So there you have it, guys. We finally got that liquid shade off of the greenhouse, and so that's gonna save us a lot of money. We were killing about 300,000 BTUs with that liquid shade on. I'm so relieved we finally got it off so we can get ready for this Arctic blast about to come through.